That's why the judge wears a black robe, and that's why he summons you, because trustees are legal fictions, and you are a trustee of your own estate. You're a chattel property of your own estate. Law cannot deal with fiction. Law cannot deal with pretend, fantasy, or made-up rules that are a result of a contract. That's why all trust relationships have to be adjudicated in equity. There, the judge gets to be God, because the trust itself is a creature, it's a fiction, it's a creature of the mind, an artificial construct of the mind. That's dealing with actual law and living men and women, not property, not trusts, not trustees, infant chattel property of their own estates. Okay? So, all right, let's get back to what we were getting into here. We went through equity, and I'll recap that one more time. Equity says that the liberty of considering all cases in an equitable light must not be indulged too far, lest we thereby destroy all law and leave the decision of every question entirely in the breast of a judge, right? But trust can only be adjudicated in equity. So when you're a trustee of your own estate, the Social Security trust, right, and all the properties held in trust as collateral, then you only have access to courts of equity to enforce equitable rights, which are not actually rights, they're privileges resulting from a contract or trust arrangement. So those privileges regarding each of the property that you can enforce in a court of equity, or try to, if the judge acting as God deems it equitable to allow you to enforce it, right? Because it's not a right, it's a privilege, are determined by the contracts which allow you to use the property. For instance, with the automobile that becomes a motor vehicle when in commerce, the license is the contract that determines what your privileges are regarding that automobile and regarding your ability to use it, and they're just privileges. So, all right, now we're going to pop over here to D. What I wanted to show you to further reinforce, we'll go down to discretion.